Hey guys, it's Plain and welcome to my brand new tutorial series coding your own Discord bot in Python. In this tutorial you'll learn how to code your own Discord bot using the discord.py rewrite module. Now just as a word of precaution, if you're looking for multi-server functionality, this tutorial will not be able to cover that because essentially what this tutorial is doing is we're going to be basically customizing your bot so that it works on your server. So you can make multiple bots for multiple servers using this tutorial, but you won't be able to use one bot and empower multiple servers, which is totally fine because most of you guys are here to empower your own server anyway. So the first step is you're going to go to your Discord developer portal. That's going to be at the link discord.com/developer/applications. And for this first episode, we'll be learning how to set up your bot and host your bot so that it's online 24/7, and you won't have to worry about it even though your computer is not on, and stuff like that, the basics. Everything that I'm going to be doing in this episode is going to be completely free as of September 2020. Now, you're in the Discord developer portal. You just press new application. I have an application already called Repl.it. I just name it whatever you want. You can literally name it whatever you want. And then you're going to go to the bot tab. There should be a button that says new bot around here, and then you're going to name your bot anything you want. This is the username that will be actually popping up on your screen. So for me, it's going to be Scrum Master. So that's going to be the bot's actual username. Under icon, this is what the bot's profile pic will be. Now the word about the token. The token is really, really, really important, and you should never ever reveal it to anybody that you don't know, you don't trust, or anything like that, because using the token number, if it falls in the wrong hands, they can literally take control over your bot, and they can literally nuke your server. I will be showing my token for this tutorial, but after I'm done recording it, I'm obviously going to regenerate it so that y'all can't use my bot and take control of my servers. So basically, I revealed my token. This is going to be used for later. Now, we're going to actually have to make an invite link for the bot to join our server now that we actually made a bot. So now, to do that, we're going to go to OAuth 2, Scopes. Under Scopes, because it's a bot, you're going to press Bot. Under Bot Permissions, you're going to press Administrator so that it can actually do stuff. And then you have this customized invite link. You're going to copy it, paste it, select the server. I'm going to add it to temporary server. Continue, administrator, make sure it has that permission. I'm not a robot. Done. Authorized, good. I can X out. Now I'll be going into Discord, and you can see that my bot is in the server. But it's not online, and it can't really do anything if it's not online. So that's our next thing that we're going to be doing. For this tutorial series, we'll be using Repl.it, which is an online IDE. And essentially, it's a very renowned IDE. It's very secure. I don't really have any security concerns with it, except for those of you who know somewhat about Discord.py programming, is that this token number that I said was very sensitive. If you have a free Repl account, which I do, I have the free account version. Basically, what it will do is it will reveal your code to the public, which is not good because if you have your token number in there, then everybody can see your token and they can nuke your servers. So you don't want that to happen. But there's a way around it. We're going to use something called a .env file in order to hide your token, because that will hide your token, and then we're going to do a client.run, and basically it's going to go into the env file and get the token so that your token remains hidden. So no security concerns there. You're going to create a new REPL. I'm going to call it Python. I'm just going to name whatever, Robber Duck. It's going to create the REPL. Okay, now by default you should have this main.py file. You have to install a couple of packages, and the good thing about Repl.it is that you don't have to go into command prompt like traditional. Usually you have to go into your command prompt and do like pip install and stuff like that. You don't need to do any of that. Just search up Discord, press the plus button, and it automatically adds the package for you. It's like really automatic. It's really convenient. You're going to, after you install Discord, there should be one more install, and yeah, it should be done. You're also going to install a module called Flask. Now, what Flask is it's like essentially a HTTP request handler, and we're going to be using HTTP to connect our code to our host. So Flask is important, and with Flask, we need to also use threading features. So make sure you install that one as well. Okay, after you do that, you're going to go to your files, you're going to press plus, you're going to press .env, and then you're going to do token, equals whatever your token number was. And this is where we'll be hiding our token number. So in our .env file, we're going to do token equals our token, which I will reveal and copy and paste. Now that's exactly what we did. And now that token's in there, we're going to also create one more file. And this is going to set up our host, keepalive.py. I'm just naming it keepalive because why not? So keep_alive.py. Now you're going to put in the following code. From Flask, import Flask with a capital F. From threading, import, new line, you got to put this on a new line. From threading, import capital T thread. Also import Flask, this should be a capital. Import thread. App equals Flask, and then quote, and then app.root this blank, and then do that. And then you're going to define a function called main. And then basically what this is going to do is when your bot is online, it's going to tell you, hey, your bot is online. So now it's actually working. Return your bot is alive. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create another function called def run. And then you're going to do app.run. And then now this is actually running. Host equals quotes 0.0.0.0, comma, port equals 8080. And then you're going to do def keep alive, parentheses, and then colon, and then server equals thread. This is using your threading module. Target equals run, and then server.start. Okay. And then after that, this is your keep alive file. It's all set up. You're going to go to main.py, and then you're going to put in the following code. We're going to have to import a couple of modules first. So you're going to do import Discord. This will actually import Discord, and you're also going to import the commands module from discord.ext. Import, I should say library, I should say module. No, I shouldn't say module, I should say library for the commands. But from Discord, oh my gosh, my spelling. Discord.ext, import commands. And then you're also going to do import keep alive. This is calling the keep alive file, and essentially from now on all your coding will be done in this main.py file. You won't probably even touch keepalive.py or the .env file. After you do that, you're going to do client. You're going to name a variable called client equals commands.bot command underscore prefix. Make sure this is all punctuation correct. Quotes, and then whatever your prefix you want it to be. You can do a percentage, you can do anything you want, $, hashtag, add. I don't recommend you do add or hashtag because those are channels and it will get confused. So I'm just going to make mine exclamation mark because that's what a lot of bots use. And then I'm going to do @client.event async def on ready. So when this is doing a client.event wrapper, it's telling the bot, hey, when this event happens called on ready, it's going to do the following, and it's going to print ready. It's going to tell me in the console, it's going to say it's ready, meaning your bot is online. So after that, your very final line should be getting your token from the .env file. So we should have forgotten this, but import os, and then your very final line will be client.run os.get environ get env, and then it should be quotes token, and make sure this is really case sensitive. And yeah, so basically let's run the program, and when we run this program we should finally see that our bot is now online, which means that our code worked. But now when I X out this file, the bot is going to go offline again, and we don't want that because you don't want your computer on 24/7. See, it's ready, everything's good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect our code to our host, which is really, really easy. You're going to go to a website called uptimerobot.com. I'm already logged in, but if you don't have an account, make an account. If you do have an account, log in. Go to dashboard. Oh, I have to log in, never mind. Okay, and then... Okay, I'm being redirected. Okay, so now for the monitor type, do HTTPS. Friendly name, I'm just going to call it tutorial. And then for the URL, this is important. Okay, it just disappeared on me. Alright, For the URL, this is important. You see this https rubber.duck.plane1226.repl.run. You need to copy this. It's going to definitely be a different name for whatever is on your screen, but just copy this bar, the link in that bar, paste it in here. But this .run, just change that to .co. Okay, and then this is if you want an alert every time your bot is offline, or if there's any downtime, which could always happen with any host. So if you want an alert, you can just check that box. I don't need to do that because it's going to go anyway. So create monitor, and then you should be creating a monitor. So now that's it. You didn't even have to go to Heroku. You didn't even have to install anything. You didn't have to install Git or anything. That's it. You're literally done. So now I'm going to X this file out. I didn't stop running the program. You notice that I didn't stop running the program, and my bot is still online. So that means everything worked. And soon enough, you'll be seeing downtime, uptime on your Uptime robot. And yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed that tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you and also give us a thumbs up. Be sure to leave in the comments any concerns you have, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Bye for now.